Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to contact Facebook support team. So let's get started. So if you want to contact your Facebook support team, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on help and support which is on the bottom of your screen. Then tap on report a problem, and after tapping on that, now simply tap on report a problem. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply tap on don't include, and after tapping on don't include, now what you can do is so you can contact your Facebook support team from here. So you will find the bunch of options that you can use to contact your Facebook support team. So what you can do is just simply select option. So for example, I have issues with my settings, so what I'll do is I'll just simply tap on settings, and from here I can just simply send my feedback by sending a report. So in this way you can just simply select any options, but if you don't want to follow this way, what you can do is just simply come back and then tap on report a problem again, and then tap on reports about abuse or spam shouldn't be submitted over here. So just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can submit your problem. So here you will find this option, the first one, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, scroll down and then tap on no, and then tap on other. After tapping on that, from here you can just simply enter the problem that you are facing, and you can just simply submit it by tapping on submit, and after doing that your problem will be submitted to Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to contact Facebook support team. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.